Happy Friday, South Georgia. We actually have a fire weather watch for tomorrow as we have gusty winds and low humidity. And obviously, we've got extreme, exceptional drought for most of South Georgia now, which was updated yesterday as that drought continues to build with now 7 consecutive months of below average rainfall. We're not going to see any rain today, but a little fog is possible. Low cloud deck as we start off the morning. We'll go from about 60, which is milder than yesterday, to 70 just before noontime, and then 80 just before 2 p.m. And we'll top off in the mid-80s, the warmest spots in the upper 80s. Sunshine will take over with westerly winds. So here we go with that fog impact graph again. Some moderate, impactful fog, maybe some patchy, dense fog as we go into that 8, 9 o'clock hour. Your evening planner calls for temperatures to go from the low 80s to the upper 60s, and then tonight, mostly clear, coolish as we get towards daybreak, and the winds are going to be increasing out of the north at about 10, 15 miles per hour as this front drags through. So high pressure, again, blocking the moisture. Winds are going to be out of the west today, then north tonight, so we really don't get any moisture building out ahead of the front. And so with it, we also have a wind shift that goes quickly from west pretty much to east as we go through the day tomorrow. But it will be breezy as early as the morning hours, but especially midday. You can see these winds are going to be gusting about 30 miles per hour as we go into Saturday afternoon. We will see a few clouds trying to come in here with the easterly wind late, but then they get shunted farther south, and it turns chilly as the high pressure settles in across the Carolinas. And then we'll still stay a little bit towards average, I would say, Sunday. I think Sunday is going to be the nicer of the 2 days because it won't be as breezy, as cool, but it will start off chilly on your Palm Sunday. Looking ahead, breezy and cooler tomorrow, mix of clouds and sun, 57 to 71. And then a morning chill Sunday down to 47, and then 75. I call it PM perfection, right? Warming back, 53 to 81 on Monday, turning toasty again Tuesday, 58 to 84. And do we have a rain chance in the forecast next week? Could be. Join us on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. I hope you join us then.